In this video, we are going to show you how to create branded presentation slides using Manus AI. Now, there are two ways to go about this. You can either do this on Manus itself, or you can do what I'm going to do, which is use another AI. You can use ChatGPT, but we are using Google Gemini to do this. So we just need another AI to prompt this before we paste it to Manus. So as you can see here, I've already asked Gemini to create a prompt that will help us create branded presentation slides for Manus, specifically for Manus, right? So we already have it here, right? We already have a prompt here. We just need to copy that, go to Manus, paste it there, and then we need to actually uh, customize this, right? So act as an expert graphic designer. It has to build a fully branded 12 slide, let's say 5 slide or 7 slide, like 7 slide presentation on say 2025 fall fashion, right? Brand identity source, insert website for upload guidance, right? You can insert a guideline here for whatever website. There we go. So we're not going to do that. We're just going to ask it to do this. There we go. Tone, maintain. There we go. Content and research. Perform deep research on fall fashion for the past 5 years, right? You need to do this because you can't just copy paste, because as you can see here, you need to fill in everything, right? So here, structure, brand title, why, core, there you go. Just make sure that you are customizing it the way you want to, so fits the fashion sector, right? There you go. After this, just press enter. And depending on how easy or hard the prompt is, it's going to take a bit of time, or it might take faster than usual. So it says here, I've received your request to create a 7-slide fully branded 2025 full fashion presentation as an expert graphic designer. So as you can see here, it is now creating deep research. There we go. And again, it takes a bit of time for this to happen. All right, as you can see, we are now done. It did take a few minutes, but as you can see here, slide outline, and then it actually gives us the slide outline that it has created. There we go. So if you click on this, it's going to show you the outline. There we go. So 1, 2, 3, so on and so forth, right? There we go. And yeah, that is how you create branded presentation slides using Manus AI. Pretty much it. That's the video. I hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. I'll see you on the next video.